Hi friends, and this is our new tutorial about the Instagram application. Today we will show you how to check if somebody follows you or not on Instagram. So let's go to our profile page on Instagram application, and as I said, we will have three different options to check if somebody is your follower or not. So the first option is to go to our follower section here, and of course we can use the search bar to find the selected user, and if this account will appear on the list, it means that this account is our follower. So I'm interested in the HardReset.Info account, so let's check it. Of course we have only one follower, but I will show you as an example. Let's set the name of the needful user, HardReset.Info. And as you can see, we don't have any result, which means that this account is not our follower and is not doesn't follow our back. The next option is to go to the selected account we are interested in and to use the following section on it. So let's pick on the following option, and we just only need to search our account on the following list, because if this person is our follower, we will have our account on the list. So we have this special account as an example, so we have the QRT, and we just only need to pick on the search bar here and set our name, QR.t. As you can see, we also don't have any result, which, as I said before, means that we are not in the following list and this user isn't our follower. And the third option is to unfollow from this selected account, and we will have the follow button. It means that we just only can follow this person again, but we will have the follow back button, which means that this user is follow on our account, is our follower, follows our account, and we can be friends. So let's check the result. As you can understand, this account, our HardReset.Info account, isn't our follower. Let's check which button we will have. So I pick on the following option and tap on the unfollow button here on the list. And as I said, we have only the follow option here, which means that this user isn't our follower. Right now I want to follow myself from this HardReset.Info account and to become the follower to show you the result. So right now I am follower, and as you can see, I will refresh the settings and unfollow again to show you that we have another button, follow back, which means that from now on we can be friends because this is our follower. So guys, I hope that this short tutorial was simple, was useful. Don't forget about likes and subscribe to our channel. Good luck!